On Monday, the trial for former Sangamon County Sheriff's Deputy Sean Grayson will begin. As we all know, he has been charged with first-degree murder, battery, misconduct in connection with the fatal shooting of Sonya Massey. So, as previously reported on August 6, 2024, Sean Grayson and another deputy responded to Sonya Massey's 911 call reporting a suspected burglar outside of her Springfield area home. The situation escalated when Sonya Massey appeared to be having trouble answering the deputy's question. Body camera footage shows Grayson fatally shooting Sonya Massey in the head after she was moving a boiling pot of water from her stove. Now, Sean Grayson has remained behind bars awaiting his trial. The Illinois Supreme Court is considering his release, but ruled that he must remain in custody for now. An appeals court had previously ordered a new detention hearing, suggesting that he could be released with conditions, but the state Supreme Court has intervened. So he has been behind bars since he was arrested back in 2024. Now, back in April, there was a change of venue ordered by the judge after Sean Grayson's defense team argued that he could not get a fair and impartial trial in Sangamon County, so it was moved to Peoria. Prosecutors have been clear that they plan to argue that Sonya Massey posed no threat and the use of force was unjustified. Now, Sean Grayson's attorneys have made it clear that they will argue that this was self-defense and that Sonya Massey was the aggressor. The judge has ruled that the defense cannot bring up Sonya Massey's mental health prior to the 911 call. Also, jurors will not hear about Grayson's 2016 discharge from the Army for misconduct, DUIs on his record, and complaints from civilians. Now, back in August, the Illinois State Legislature passed a bill into law called the Sonya Massey Act, and the Illinois governor signed that into law in August of 2025. The purpose of the Sonya Massey Act is to prevent wandering officers with documented issues from being hired by other law enforcement agencies. Now, the Sonya Massey Act mandates more thorough background checks during the police hiring process. It requires law enforcement agencies to provide unredacted personnel files of former officers to prospective employers within 14 days, and it prohibits confidentiality agreements from concealing an officer's disciplinary record. Rest in peace to Sonya Massey. I will be following this trial. I'm not sure if it will be televised. I hope that it will be, so that way I can cover it. But you all put your thoughts in the comments. Rest in peace to Sonya Massey. I hope that she gets justice. You all put your thoughts. It's Double D Mova for the Black Accurate News.